Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay back with another video. This is my second cash stuffing for July out of 3. We have one more after this, so we're gonna hop right into this video. We have a lot to stuff. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. If you are back, welcome back to my channel. Hey girl, hey. And we're gonna hop right into this video, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So I did write down everything because y'all, it is late and my brain is like off. I worked all day. I've been up trying to do stuff around the house. Your girl's exhausted. So the first thing we're going to be stuffing are the envelopes that stay in my wallet. Gas is going to be getting $20. It has absolutely nothing, and this $20 is going to be gone within days because this gas, I feel like in every video I'm like, the gas is ridiculous. Toll is going to be getting $10. There's nothing in toll. Start building this one back up. Haven't really gone anywhere, but I do plan on going places. So groceries is not getting stuffed. We have enough food. We went to the grocery store and we got a lot of food, so I don't eat anything for my lunch. Shopping, which I want to clarify. So this groceries envelope is for like my lunches for work and anything like I want around the house to snack around. It is not like my dinner or household groceries envelope. That's why if you see me putting in like $5 or $10, it's just for me. It's stuff that I want. So don't be alarmed. I was like, oh, I probably should clarify that or change the name of the envelope. Shopping is getting $10. I really don't even need to be doing that, but just a little bit something. I want to start building that up. And then that is it for these. So we're going to go ahead and put these back in my wallet so I do not forget them when I go out. And they slide right in my wallet. Like, I just keep them in my wallet. And this is just like a Steve Madden wallet. So next we're going to go into our cash envelopes. We are going to start with car maintenance. Car maintenance has $80, I believe, and it is getting $10. So we're just gonna grab a 10, and now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. $90 in car maintenance. I do need to get some brakes done, like my brakes done, so that I think I need a little bit more before I can get those done. Emergency fund has $200 and we're stuffing $10 today, so we're just gonna grab a 10. We did a bill exchange, so I have 200s in here. So 100, 200, 210, which is really good. I'm happy I haven't had to dig in that. Medical dental has 70, and we're going to be getting 5. So 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. So there's 75 in there. Fun money has 0. I'm going to just be putting in a 20. Rollover money has nothing. Savings challenge, I don't think I have anything. I actually might have $1 in my purse, but we're not gonna worry about that because I think I just have 1. So when I put that in there, we'll have $39, which is good. Alright, so now we're gonna go into our sinking funds. We're gonna start off with beauty. I need this because I'm getting my nails done and my nails and my toes done. So we have $90 in here. We're gonna be adding 10. I might not use it all. I'm really gonna try not to use it all, but you guys know how it is when you go to the nail salon. I kind of am keeping it basic because for those of you who don't know, I'm a registered nurse. I can't really have my nails done, but I'm doing it for my trip. So I'm getting some acrylic nails so I can be cute on my trip. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. And I'm so excited to just be cute with my nails done, my toes done. Whew. It's gonna be nice. Vacation has 130, and we're going to be putting 20 towards this today. So we will have a total of 100, 120, 140, 150, which I'm happy. This is basically for a trip I'm planning in September. I need like $350 to $400, so we'll see if how much I can get before like the middle of August, and then we'll see how we'll get the rest if we don't get it all. But I'm really proud of $150 in there. B-Days and Gifts has $25, and we're going to be adding another $25. We have a birthday coming up next week, so $25 of this will be gone. 20, 40, 45, 50. So we have 50 in there. I don't know how, y'all, but we've been making it through with these birthdays. We have been knocking them out, and I'm proud. So Christmas is another one I'm proud of. It has $200. We only need $100 more for our goal. Yay! We are adding in just $5 today. So 100, 200, 205. So now we need $95. And if I can, I would like not want to spend all that either. Shoot. See what we can find. Home has nothing. It's just getting $5. We're gonna put that in there. And I'm sorry if this seems like it's like a fast stuffing, but I'm tired. I have to wake up at the crack of dawn tomorrow to run errands and drive. So like, we're trying to get this cash stuffing done, get these bills in the envelopes, and call it a day. So we're not gonna be as chatty today. Hubby is getting $10. I believe there's $15 in here. So he is moving on up in the world. Look at him. Whole gift card amount right here. 10, 20, 25. This will be the start of his birthday savings for his birthday, because we have a few months until that. Oliver has $20 and he's just getting $5. We've been getting the bigger bags of food, so he has $25. I'm sure we'll need another one. And he keeps biting his harness, so we need a new harness actually, so that's probably what that'll go for. That is it for that binder. Then we're gonna end off with my other binder. That's just about my personal stuff for me. And anything else, all the other envelopes that you've seen in my previous videos, we are not stuffing today if they are not in this video. So Simplykay is not getting anything. Nurse Stuff is getting $20. I believe there's $50 in here. And y'all, I need $170 to renew my nursing license. So we have until September, like the end of September, but I'm trying to renew by the middle of September. So I need $170 by then, so we need 100 more, which I believe is very doable, and I'm just going to wait until I have that to renew my license. And I also want to change my name because I got my license before I was married. So 50, 70 is in Nurse Stuff. I did buy some scrubs. Shame on me, I did not budget that out, but I needed some pants really bad, so I spent like $54, $59 in scrubs, but it's okay because I had the money in my account. So that is that. Grad school is getting $400. So we have $1,400 in the bank. I did pay my first payment. I'll be making a grad school video later on, but I'm just going to be collecting how much money total that I've been saving and putting aside for grad school, even if I made the payment already. So in the bank is 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, so 1,400, and we're going to be putting in $400. So 100, 200, 300, 400, and that's going to be a total of 1,800, which is crazy. So now my balance is like 3,300 for the semester, and I did not even start school yet. Can we talk about it? Can we talk about it? Like, girl, you paying for school, you didn't even start yet? Sis, let's go. Like, this is just new behavior. This is just everything I'm trying to be. Like, planning, saving, budgeting for me, for my education. Like, you guys have no idea how exciting and like relieved that makes me feel. Like, I've already made one payment. I have 3 more payments to pay, and I think I'm gonna have all the money way before it's due because I'm doing this. Like, y'all, and just wait till I put those other loans that I'm paying for and what is deferment, because I'm definitely gonna be doing that, and I will keep paying interest, and I'll pay like as I can. But while I'm back in school for 1 year, the other loans will be deferred, and I'll be using that money for this. So grad school has $1,800 in it. So exciting. With the girls is getting $10. We have $5 in here, so that's like, you know, a little meal already, a little salad, a little something. So I can tell them, yeah, I can go out and get a little salad, you know. So we got 15. Y'all, I'm just crazy right now because that's about all that's gonna afford. Some Chick-fil-A. The 25th is my birthday. I'm turning 25 on the 25th of December. It is my, what do they call it? The golden year. I'm hype, y'all. 25 on 25th. Let's go. My brain is gonna be fully developed. Your girl can rent a car. I'm hype. Like 25. I'm getting kind of old. Now that I think about it, sometimes I'm like, when people ask me how old I am, I'm like, I want to say 21, 22. No, girl. No. You are almost 25. And I know that's not old. I know that's not old. I'm just being extra. So, there is nothing in there because I dug out of here for something. Don't ask me what. But it was for me, so it's okay. It's justified. But we're going to put $5 back in there and not dig in it anymore, because girl, you gotta get yourself a nice gift for your birthday. Dang. Wine has 0 and is going to be getting $10. For those of you who would like to know, if you care to know, I'm going to tell you anyway. If you don't care, I'm still going to tell you. Bartenura, the blue bottle, Moscato. If you don't, I have to enter a picture. If you have not had that wine, go get it. If you like sweet white wine, my favorite, and it's only $10, maybe $10.97, but still. Giving has, I think it has 15, and it's going to be getting 10. You guys, hold up. Let's talk about it real quick. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers. Like, y'all blow my mind. Like, I'm not even going to go into it because it's just crazy. I'm thankful. I just want to say thank you for those of you who support me and watch my videos and like my content and like following along with my journey and talk with me and comment down below and talk to me on Instagram and everything you guys do. I'm so appreciative of, and I just thank you. So this is going to be towards my 2,000 subscriber giveaway when I hit 2,000 subscribers. So we already have 10, 15, 20, 25, which is already good. So I'm excited that I'll be ready for when that comes. And I'm thinking of some things, so just be ready. And if you're watching this and you're not subscribed yet, sis, or bro, there's a small percentage of viewers that are men, but sis, bro, fam, come join the fam, please. It is just so much life. It's giving life. It's giving savings. It's giving all of this. Okay, please subscribe. Hit that button. Like everyone always says, it's free. It's free. I'm not even charging you. It's like, y'all, I need to go to bed, and that is what I'm gonna do. But the last thing we have to do is put the coins in the coin jar for our coin saving challenge. So, excuse me, just move this out of the way. Thank you. Alright. Y'all, I get delirious. I've been up since 6 o'clock. It's 11:40. Okay, 3182 is in here. We're going to dump whatever change. I don't even know how much I have. And I got a little bit. Oh, that's something. We're gonna put this in here. So 3182 is what we started with. I tell you, these coins just be dirty. What did I say? 3182 we started with, and we are ending with 3280. Almost a full $1. So that is exciting. We have 3280. Slide that over here. That is all I have for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. It was a little bit quick, but you know, we did what we had to do and we're done. So Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification button so you can get notified when I upload another video. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, week, weekend, whatever day it is, because thank you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.